Welcome GATE 2021 model questions on control systems. Today's our topic is stability analysis. Today we'll be discussing one main important question on the stability topic. Let us go for the question number one. Here the question is they given open loop transfer function of a unity feedback system as G equals to 1 by S plus A whole power n, and we have to find the value of A such that the closed loop system is marginally stable. These are the given options. To solve this problem, since it is an nth order system, we can't use route coverage criterion. But we'll go for the frequency domain methods in finding the stability, unstability, or margin stability. But in frequency domain, for margin stable, we have three methods. Any of that method we can use it. The one condition for margin stability in frequency domain is the gain margin should be 1 or gain margin dB should be 0. Another method is for margin stability, phase margin also will be 0 degrees. Again, another condition for margin stability is phase crossover frequency should be equal to gain crossover frequency. Either of these three methods, anyone we can use it to find the answer. We'll use the first method, that is gain margin, find it and equate it to 1 and solve the value of A. But to find gain margin, first substitute S equal to j omega in the open loop transfer function. We'll get 1 by j omega plus A whole power n. First, we have to find the phase crossover frequency. What is phase crossover frequency? Is angle of open loop transfer function equated to minus 180 degrees and solve omega. That omega itself we'll call it as omega PCR, phase crossover frequency. What is the angle of g of j omega is minus n tan inverse of omega by A equated to minus 180 degrees. From there, tan inverse of omega by A will be equal to 180 degrees by n. That is equals to pi by n. Why we are writing pi by n in radians? That is, since omega will be expressing in radians per second, not in degrees per second. That's why convert 180 degrees into radius, that is nothing but pi. From there, you solve the value of omega, which will be A tan of pi by n in radian per second. So this frequency itself will be calling as phase crossover frequency, denoted as omega pc. After finding omega pc, then we can find the gain margin. How gain margin is defined is reciprocal of magnitude of open loop transfer function at omega pc. What is the reciprocal of magnitude of open loop transfer function is root of omega square plus a square whole power n, at which frequency you have to find is at omega pc. When you substitute omega equal to omega pc, we will be getting as a tan of pi by n whole square plus a square whole power n. That is equals to, gain margin will be equals to, if you take a square out of the square root, you'll get a, that is a power n. And 1 plus tan square theta will be secant square theta. That is under square root of secant square theta will be only secant theta, that is secant of pi by n. And we'll get whole power n. And for marginally stability, gain margin should be equal to, that is a power n secant to the power of n pi by n should be equal to 1, or a power n is equals to 1 by secant power n pi by n. 1 by secant theta is nothing but cos theta. Therefore, cos of pi by n whole power n or cos power n. From here, if you solve the value of a, we'll get it as a equal to cos of pi by n. Hence, our option is D. Thank you.